Hello again, my friends in commerce. Okay, you are looking at some of my almost 50 courses, going on 50 courses soon, on the Great Discovery platform, including Think Bigger and Grow Richer with Common Sense, Human Kindness for the Digital Age, Supercharge the Laws of the Universe with Superhuman Kindness and Learning to Earn with AI, Think Bigger and Grow Richer with the Great Discovery. So I've got so many different courses to share, and all you have to do is register right below this video to learn more about the AI Super Campus of courses for course creation with AI, course creation AI media literacy for course creation mastery ebook stories, YouTube for business growth, plus a gamma patch media story presentation. I have so many free courses here on the Great Discovery, and you can access the YouTube videos for free right below this YouTube video. So I hope you will connect, and I hope you will learn about Nourish and Network and how we are working on creating nearly perfect networking where it is a win-win-win-win. Everybody wins with nearly perfect networking. The only weakness of it is human beings, because none of us are perfect. So anyway, I hope you will click on this video and learn more about some of my other courses in the Great Discovery. And I look forward to talking to you soon. But let's keep the conversation going so we can super serve and super share ways to help the folks down in LA who are obviously struggling because of the fires. But really, we want to challenge and fight against world hunger and really become food hunger fighters with helping network at food sharing centers. And I hope you will join me in this important initiative, because there before the grace of God go you or I. I'm in Northern California. We have rain, but we could have an earthquake tomorrow. So this is something that we all need to prepare for the future. It's kind of like the old barn raising parties. If lightning struck somebody's barn in the old days, all the neighbors would get together and help out and rebuild the barn. And that's the kind of community mentality that we really need, is to think of a community with human kindness inside of it. And that's what I want to help share with YouTube and help you promote your video in multiple ways, your YouTube channel. And if you shoot videos with your cell phone, or if you capture them in screen sharing, either one is good. But it's a great way to start a YouTube channel, and there's some really cool ways to do it. So you can use AI as your own AI teleprompter and help you do screen sharing sites and share your YouTube channel, share the courses in the Great Discovery. So we have a lot of exciting things to be thankful for. And so we want to make sure that we practice human kindness, because if you have 40 years of experience, and if you've helped your clients sell over $200 million worth of products and services like me, I got news for you. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about me. Nobody. And nobody will care about you if they don't know how much you care. So it's so important. I've been volunteering for years and years and years. But if I don't show people how much I care with my activities, they're not going to care about me, and they're not going to care about you either. So everybody wins when you practice Nourish and network events and help the food sharing centers and help the Red Cross. So please click on the link below this video to learn more about ETV Global Media, who is sponsoring all of this, and join us for free. Join the AI Super Campus and learn how AI digitizes virtually everything, including our time and how we use it. So I hope you will learn more. I hope you will learn more about how much I care, so I can recruit you into caring and sharing too, and help people who are food challenged and people who are really, really, really struggling painfully in Los Angeles. If you listen with your heart, you're going to hear their voices calling for help. And I hope you will join us to help put out the fire of the problems in their lives. So I'm Mike Hayes, and I look forward to talking to you soon. So keep the conversation going. If you can't join us, please, 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 at least share this so we can recruit more volunteers to help. Thank you.